everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Thursday, March 19th, and Susan's way back there so I can show you this great quilt that was in our booth at QuiltCon and also in our booth at the Capital Quilters Guild show. This is called the Nina quilt, and we're actually borrowing this quilt from Riley Blake Designs, but we do have kits for it as well as patterns. The kit is right here. You see all those great fabrics along with the little sashing stripe plus the cornerstones here at the bottom. And we have patterns as well. So if this is something that looks like it would be good for you, I know Susan's buying one for a gift, already bought it for a gift for someone, that might be a great option and not so hard. And then these new fabrics, these new palettes are going to work great in that quilt if you don't want to buy a kit. Palette is one of our favorite blenders by Marcia Dursey for Wyndham Fabrics, and now she has come out with a whole bunch of new colors. I love this one.
Me too.
I love a lot of them. I use them in my portrait quilts all the time. They make great skin tones, they make great shadows. I like that they have a little bit of movement but not a ton, and if you do buy them you can fussy cut. Like you can choose a darker and a lighter and they still go together. So that's very handy. That is a pretty color. So these are all brand new colors. So they're new to me as well as you. So I'm gonna ooh and ah at the same time. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's gorgeous. And then we have a nice pale green. They all have lovely names, I believe, but I don't know them. That's also great for shadows or like a mottled background for a quilt. That one too, that'll go really good. There's a color called mushroom that this would go really good with. So I think we have, I don't know, 40, 50, maybe even more palette colors. So this just joins the rest of the palettes, and we always reorder these because they are just very popular and they work well.
The saturation.
Yeah, these are really nice and bright. They're kind of bouncing the sun off. Ooh, this one too. That's a really bright color. That would work well with Allison Glass, Tulip Pink, those Ruby Star, those kind of designs. And these I think are a little more fun than solids. A little more fun. Also, I know I've mentioned it before, but this coming Saturday we have a Maker's Delight trunk show. This one's a great one. Look at the color. Maker's Delight trunk show with Chrissy Lux. Chrissy Lux is a local designer, and she's also Moda's newest designer. So she has designed a fabric line for Moda Fabrics, and she's going to be here in the shop on Saturday at 1:30, sharing her fabric, sharing how she was inspired, how she chose what went in the line. She has giveaways and swag, and you'll be able to pre-order anything from the line, including pre-cuts and kits. She'll also have patterns. It's going to be a really great time, and the time I spent with her last week on our video together, it's really, really interesting how the designers put in designs and then get back a ton of colors and have to pick which designs go in which colors. So I think it's going to be a really fun time, and that's of course free here in our shop, 1:30 on Saturday. So we hope to see you then, or today, or tomorrow, or anytime really. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.